Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Corey, aka Blockchain, and I am a full-time professional trader. And I wanted to just make sure I did a quick video for a very exciting announcement. I am actually going to be giving away one of my master classes at the end of this month. It's a $500 value, completely free to you. All you have to do is make sure you comment, subscribe, smash the likes on this video, and you will be entered to win. I will be doing the drawing at the end of the month for one lucky winner, and all you have to do is support my YouTube channel here. So make sure you smash the likes, hit that subscribe button, comment below, and you will have an automatic entry to the free masterclass. And yes, you can do it on multiple videos. So each time you do it on one of my videos, it will give you an entry. So the more, the better. So again, guys, smash the likes, hit that subscribe, ring that little bell, comment below, and good luck. And let's go ahead and dive into the charts. All right. This is Blockchain coming at you with another technical analysis update. For those of you who are new to my channel, we are starting off right here on blockchain, tatrading.com. So make sure you guys jump over real quick and you can scroll down, get this little get in touch button. I'll actually send you a video demonstration of my #1 trading strategy that is completely free. And yes, it is profitable, reliable, and applicable to any market. We also have the blockchain gear, and of course the Discord, $97 a month or $5.97 a year, and that is 50% off the monthly subscription, so pretty good deal. And then we are also offering a 14-day trial right now for just $25, so that we can get in there and see what it's all about. Get access to over 1,000 active traders, a lot of those full-time professionals, and get to interact with them, see their charts and how they activate their trades in the market and how they look at it. And then of course this is the last video to enter in for your free entry to win a masterclass. So make sure you guys subscribe, smash the likes, comment below, and that will give you an entry. And this is the last video to do so, and I will be doing the drawings probably on Monday. That's when I'll do the actual drawing for the winner. So smash up the likes, guys. All right, let's dive into the charts real quick. Not a lot to update from, I guess, from yesterday's video. So I could just kind of do a quick recap on where we are. So we could be looking at a couple different things here. And really from where we are, out from, I guess, yesterday's video, I was looking for this last little move up to either 29.6. We got very close. We just got the 29.2, 29.3 if round up. So we did get super close to it, and then we had our rejection, but we did have a quick move back up. So we could still come back up and touch it with just like a topping formation and then roll over, or we could still get an extended fifth wave up here to the 32.6. In regards from where we are at the moment, you can kind of see that we do have our fast and our slow EMAs coming together in the RSI. We did bounce on the bottom of the bullish control zone, so depending if we get back over it and then establish the support, that will give us our other leg up. On the higher time frame, yeah, we still can't come back down. This is the 6 hour. We still can't come back down and touch the slow moving EMA and get a nice little bounce off of it to get us up to that 32.6 mark. We did have a sell signal print here as well, but we never got continuation, so we're more of in a consolidation phase, I guess. So it is giving us the opportunity to still get another leg up, which it is still very possible. All the other higher time frames are suggesting that it's still is capable of doing so. So we just kind of have to watch and see. But we do need to get above that 29.5 and establish that support to get up to that 32.6. But within this range right here, I am looking at this being the basically being done for a third wave, to then have the fourth wave come back down. So on the larger scale, let's see. Yeah, this is what basically from what I was looking for. Larger scale overall on a third wave. Let me actually take this out. It's going to be kind of messy in here, I guess. But larger scale, basically this having our 1, this is our 2, and our 1, 2, 3, 4, and our 5 within here to finish off the third wave move. Have a fourth wave move back down. We can still come back down to 20K and still be in a quite a decent bull run. And then we'd have one more leg up, taking us up to that 53, and then that would finish off the third wave. So basically right now I'm counting us in a third wave within the third wave to come back down for the fourth, and then up again for the fifth to 53, then possibly back down to 30K for the larger fourth wave move, and then up again for the fifth, which would then get us up to $137,000 per Bitcoin. So larger scale, quick little look at. But anyway, with where we are at the moment, we kind of have to play it move by move and really just kind of see where we're going and see what the charts have to give us at the moment. So, all right, let's take a quick look at ETH. ETH, it does to me look like it needs another leg up on this. This looks like a fourth wave. It looks like it still needs another kick up, really to that $800 mark, which kind of lines up with getting one more leg up in Bitcoin here. But I mean, if you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks like it needs one more, because this would really just be a three wave motion, which we would come off as a corrective. And it could still be a zigzag three wave move for an ABC up, but it does look like it wants one more leg going to the upside. Let's see. So we are just riding on top of the bullish control zone here at 70 on the 6 hour. So really kind of just establishing that as support. The CB index is coming down. Looks like we're about to touch the 50 on it at 45. Let's see. And then the 2 hour. We're just riding on top of the bearish control zone. Yeah, so we are going to need a bounce here on the 50. We can go back and we can touch the 45, but if we dip below that, I would start to not look for the $800 move on part of this move anymore at that point in time. So it is still possible. We did get a nice little buy signal here on the market liberator on the 2 hour, but kind of just looks like consolidation. So for the most part here. So be cautious, but still looking for that one more little leg up. XTZ kind of did the same thing. We did come back. We were riding around top of this pivot yesterday. We did come back, touch the trend line again, popped right back up. You can see that it did fall inside of the bearish control zone, trying to get out of it. We got to break above that 50 if we are going to get outside of the bearish control zone. If not, then we will have continuation to the downside. So it's not really coming through with a vengeance or power that we'd like to see, but it would make sense for this to be in at least an A, B, and then a C to get a move back up to the 2.2 roughly. Link, kind of same thing. Really, again, this is coming across as a three-wave move. It is inside of the bearish control zone, never broke back out of it. Not looking super strong at the moment, but it would make sense for to have this, even this right here is as the A wave, and then another. I'll probably say even like if this is the A down, we'd still want to be up, and then another C down for some potential continuation. And I mean, even Link not looking the healthiest at the moment. And what I was looking at is the CB index. You can see how much the CB index went up and set that bearish divergence in to push it right back down. So yeah, not looking super strong. but we still can't get a bounce. We had the RSI pop above the slow moving EMA. If it establishes as support, it still can get a little leg up, but we got to break outside of the bearish control zone on the RSI. And right now we're sitting right at that 38 mark. So we got to get back above that 50 if we're gonna get up one more time. XRP, man, look at that triangle. Looks pretty good. Honestly, I would probably lean towards playing a break on that on either direction. It does kind of look like it wants to break up. Interesting. If it does, what I was looking for is for it to eventually come back up, hit that 0.26 or even the 0.32, but then was looking for another move back down to the downside after that. So we did find the fast moving EMA as support, just rode it the entire way up. We are outside of the bearish control zone, so if we get back on top of that, establish a support, probably break the trend line, come back and test it, which would also retest the bearish control zone of support, and potentially lift off of it from there. So it does look like it does want to have a little bit of a break up here. Let's see, DOT. Oh, DOT. So in regards to what I was looking for from the last video, we were right here looking at that consolidation and leaning towards another move to the upside, which we did get. So looking at that 9.1 up to potentially $11 for DOT. So still, I think, got some room to go on the upside before we have a potential correction coming back down for this. I'm looking more of this to be a C wave, so I'm not looking for this as the start of something. More leaning towards a C wave, which means we would need to come back down and reset at some point. So at least looking for that 9.1 to the $11 move up here before the fat lady sings. All right, and then did a quick little look at EOS yesterday. Nothing new. I think pretty sure we were right here yesterday, and it just kind of danced back and forth on the $2 range here. So nothing special, nothing to write home about. It does need to get above this pivot. Honestly, if trying to get above this pivot multiple times like this and consolidation under it, and not looking the super healthiest, which would make me want to lean a little bit more to further downside. And if that's the case, this would probably be more like a B wave in here with a C down. So potentially can come back down and retest the 2.1 like that on a B, but then would still expect it to come up. It is also possible to just have this as a flat within here. So basically an A, like a 3-wave move, and then another 3-wave move for a little C that would get us right above it, and then establish the pivot of support and then take off. So in regards to the RSI and everything, we are still holding in the bearish control zone, so nothing special. The CB index, we printed that bearish divergence quite easily on these little moves up. You can see it rose up the entire time, but price did not, so it kind of held us in where we were, which is kind of making me lean towards maybe one more move to the downside, maybe not even down to 2.1, but a little bit of a move down to kind of kick back off of and go up from there. So all right, guys, that is everything I have. Just a quick video on an updates. I hope to see you guys in the Discord, and I hope you guys have a happy and safe new year. Looking forward to 2021 with you all, and let's get that crypto, guys.